So I have this funky piece of wood. It's actually a cutoff from a log. This is the outside. And I don't know if you can... Anyway, it's cut off. Kind of reminds me of the shape of North Carolina. So I was trying to, use it to emulate North Carolina. I have to make some cuts. I'll cut off this funky end that kind of goes at an angle. So I'll cut that straight and then cut along here. I'm going to try this. We'll see if it works. Along here. It's very rough. And then kind of here. Kind of cut off those feathery ends. They're very fragile. And then it kind of comes up here and goes straight across. Probably a better representation of North Carolina. Maybe even make it a little smaller so it's thicker down there at that end, because this is pretty fragile. So I'm going to cut this on the bandsaw and we'll see how it looks. So to start with, I have to lower this so it's not quite as... That's a little too close. So, about like that. Tighten that down. I'm going to start here. I'll probably cut this. I got a bunch of wood over there. I'm going to have to move that out because this is too long. It'll hit it. So now I'm going to take it to this. This is a wen. It's a sander. It goes up and down, oscillates. So I got to clean it. So let me do that first. See how good that... Well, it didn't clean up too well. I might need to change it. Let me see how it does. And I'm just going to sand these edges. Try to smooth them out, get rid of the lines. So that's it. I'm just going to do the rest by hand. Maybe not that. Let's see. So I thought this just might be a cool project, just to get a break from all the lathe work and chainsaw milling. Been doing a lot of that with the walnut and apple bowl blanks. Yeah. Anyway, so I thought I'd just do something fun for a change. It's obviously not perfect representation, but I like the undulations because it's the edge of the wood. This is Cyprus. It came from this area, so I thought it would be a neat project. So I'm going to start out with this 60 grit, basically to chamfer the edges and try to get rid of some of the feathering, part of the cambium layer. Okay. Alright, that feels pretty good. Let's go to a 220. Nice. Okay, here we go. Now what am I going to do with this? I'm thinking about like marking like where Wilmington is. Actually Wilmington's, well, Southport's down here, but just maybe I won't do that at all. Maybe I'll just leave it as is. Wipe it off, put an oil on it, and leave it. Let's try a walnut oil. This is a roasted walnut oil I'm gonna try on this. Really brings out the color on the cypress. Get these edges too. Looks kind of nice. Cypress is really an amazing wood. Made quite a few things with it. You can see those videos. Yeah, go backwards in my list. Done a lot of different things over the years. Okay. That really soaked in. Thought I got all the hairs off of this brush. Guess not. I really pay attention to that. Maybe I'll just put it on my shed. Okay. Done. I'm gonna wipe it down a little with a rag. Looks pretty good. Let that dry. Yep, this is a quick video, but something I've been wanting to do for a while and just thought I'd share it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching.